Until recently, we did not have much information about Alzheimer's, a disease that involves parts of the human brain that control thought, memory, and language. But now we are entering the era of Alzheimer's treatments after a drug has been shown to slow the progression of the disease by 1/3. Donanemab, Alzheimer's drug developed by Eli Lilly and Co., is believed to slow cognitive decline by 35%. This drug met all the goals of the trial. One, people administered with this drug were able to cope with daily activities in a better way after 18 months. Second, this drug also reduced buildup of proteins in the brain that characterize this disease. Alzheimer's researcher at Mayo Clinic claims that donanemab's trial is the strongest evidence yet to remove sticky amyloid plaques from the brain, which helps in slowing the progression of the disease.
These findings are significant for the field. I think mostly for our patients that we now have treatments out there that can have an impact on the underlying disease process itself. For the past 20 years or so, we've had drugs available that work on the symptoms, but really do not get at the underlying biology of the disease. So donanemab is a drug that gets at the underlying disease process, a so-called disease-modifying therapy, and that's primarily very important for patients and for families that we can impact the outcome of this disease.
Associate Director of Research at the Alzheimer's Society said that although these findings may not be a cure for fighting this disease, but it could be a beginning of an end of Alzheimer's. Pharmaceutical company Lilly's drug is the second drug in a year after lecanemab to have shown to slow this fatal disease. Landmark study instills hope for more than 6 million Americans living with Alzheimer's.